This video is not anti-Semitic. On the contrary, it is an educational piece, and what you hear might surprise you. We will take a close look at whether the widespread saying Jews are rich is a reality or a perception. Like any society, the Jewish community includes individuals of varying income levels. Therefore, stereotyping is incorrect. We will examine the reasons behind this perception and how much it aligns with the truth. If you're ready, let's begin. Number 1. Judaism and wealth. In Judaism, poverty is often seen not just as an unfortunate situation, but as a weakness where an individual fails their responsibilities. This has fostered a mindset centered on working, producing, and surviving for centuries. Yet there is a deeper balance: Tzedakah. This principle dictates that earnings are not just for accumulation, but for sharing. This creates an invisible balance between individual discipline and social responsibility. Number 2. From land bans to trade power. In medieval Europe, Jews were often prohibited from owning land. With farming off the table, they turned to trade for survival. Since they couldn't be tied to the land, they converted their wealth into portable assets like cash, gems, and commodities. This necessity made them the world's first global merchants and dynamic actors of the urban economy. Number 3. The historical shift in finance. When the church banned usury, interest, in the Middle Ages, it created a massive gap in the European economy. Excluded from many professions, Jewish communities filled this void, mastering finance and credit. This forced specialization laid the foundations of modern banking and formed the historical root of the community that manages finance perception. Number 4. The birth of banking. Jewish communities transformed individual debt management into a systematic sector, building the skeleton of modern banking. Thanks to transcontinental networks of trust, they became the first global financiers capable of moving capital across borders. This strategic success turned them into economic powerhouses that even kings relied on. Number 5. Solidarity, collective power. The secret to Jewish economic success is the discipline of growing together. A history of exclusion welded the community together, turning capital into a communal fortress rather than just a personal gain. When a member starts a business, the community provides capital and customers. Money stays within the group longer, creating a self-sustaining economic network. Number 6. Intergenerational financial education. The real secret isn't the wealth itself, but the mindset to manage it. This is a heritage of financial literacy that begins in the family. For them, money is not a taboo, but a tool to be managed from a young age. Practical business experience is passed down like a relay race, leaving children not just money, but the wisdom to multiply it. Number 7. Vast network chains. The engine of this success is an unbreakable network of trust. Shabbat dinners and community gatherings are not just rituals, they are natural business platforms. People do business with those they trust. Every social contact becomes an investment opportunity, allowing capital to multiply rapidly within this network. Number 8. Historical foresight. Success comes from analyzing the financial codes of the past to script the future. By studying market cycles, they make accurate decisions. Instead of letting money tell them what to do, they tell the money what to do. This strategic foresight makes them masters of the market rather than its slaves. Number 9. The power of education. According to data, Jews are among the most educated groups globally, with high rates of higher education degrees. This academic edge allows them to enter the professional world in more prestigious positions with higher starting salaries. For this community, education is the most guaranteed path to wealth. Number 10. The simple truth. Mindset is everything. There are wealthy Jews as well as poor ones. Success is a matter of practice, not identity. The essence lies in applying success principles, like lifelong learning and discipline, to life. We should move past conspiracy theories and look at historical heritage and education.